the structure of nephron. So in physiology, there is a phenomena of removal of nitrogenous waste from our body, which is named as a excretion. So in excretion, we remove the nitrogenous waste material from inside the body, and it takes place through the kidneys. So nephrons are generally, these are the structural and functional units of kidneys which extract the waste from the body. So if you see its structure, beautifully designed by the student, they have prepared it with the help of some material, and it is beautifully designed and showing the different parts of the structure of nephron. You can see the structure of nephron labeled, fully labeled. This one showing the three parts. First one is renal capsule, having the Malpighian body, and it's having the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus in this one. Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, first one. Then this is the nephric tubule, which having the three parts: proximal convoluted tubule, this one, then loop of Henle, ascending and descending part, and then the distal convoluted tubule. And lastly, this one, white one, this is a collecting tubule. So first one, you can see proximal convoluted tubule or PCT, then loop of Henle, and DCT, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct, collecting tubule. You can see this structure here, beautifully prepared by the student. Name of student is Pooja Bharti. So this is prepared by the student of second year. And you can also see this structure, this one, showing the glomerulus here, and its enlarged portion is showing in this one, like this, fully labeled structure, this one. So if you see the nephron here also, it is beautifully designed, labeled by 1, 2, 3 sequence, but you can read that first one is this one. This is the afferent arteriole, then second one is the efferent arteriole, then third one is this one, proximal convoluted tubule, and then fourth one and fifth one, these are ascending, descending and ascending loop of Henle, and sixth one is the distal convoluted tubule, and seventh one is the collecting tubule. So this is again prepared by the student with the help of threads. So labeling is given here, you can see, and it's enlarged portion of this portion, which is named as a glomerulus. It is again shown by beautifully designed pasted structure here. You can see labeling from 1 to 13 number, and she has also given its contents like distal convoluted tubule, then you can see afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole, afferent arteriole, and you can see the podocytes which having the pedicels help in the filtration, and there are some other structures also. So these structures are named as, you can see, first one is distal convoluted tubule, then second is macula densa, third is mesenchyme extraglomerulus cell, fourth is granular cell, fifth is myocytes, sixth is efferent arteriole, seventh is afferent arteriole, eighth is mesenchyme intraglomerular cell, ninth is basement membrane, and 10th is podocyte, and 11th parietal layers, then next is glomerulus capillaries, and next one is Bowman's space, and last one is a proximal tubule. So this is beautifully labeled by the student Garima, student of second year. So if you see its parts, that glomerulus, it's having the glomerulus capillaries, glomerular basement membrane, Bowman's capsule, podocytes, and mesenchymal cells, which are phagocytic in action. So one thing is very important mentioned here, that it is also showing the juxtaglomerular apparatus which are near the glomerulus, so help in regulating the blood pressure and fluid balances. So it consists of afferent arteriole, macula densae, which is part of distal cormorty tubule, and extramesencycular mesangial region, and efferent arteriole. So they stimulate the renin-angiotensin system. So this is very important system. So starting from the nephron, you can see structural and functional unit of kidney, helping in removal of the nitrogenous waste from the body. So this one showing the structure of nephron, and second one is showing the structure of glomerulus. So you can go through both of these structure as well as a function of nephron as well as glomerulus, as well as sometimes about the podocytes and mesenchyme cells and macula densa can be asked, and you can prepare through books about these structures.